You guys, do you know where I think the problem is? You see all of these things that they mix, single-handedly they might be a good product, but because we feel like the effect is not good enough, that's when you will see someone, because they are being greedy, that's when you will not see someone pack like 5 different type of creams and 5 different type of steroids and mix it inside that cream, 5 different type of tubes. Like, do you guys see the tubes on the floor of that shop? Like, I don't even understand. If that is your reality in 2021, I really want you to stop. I will not want you to have cancer. I will not want you to have a lot of skin issues. I will not want you to have something to do, or maybe you get sick and they want to operate something on your body to save your life, and they are telling you that your skin is too maybe fragile to work on, because it has happened to a lot of people. Please, I beg you, stop. That is not the solution to the perfect skin you are looking for. The only solution to the perfect skin you are looking for is for you to get the best product and be consistent with your routine. You get what you want, not packing 24 million tubes inside your cream. You probably not get what you want. I went on TikTok and I saw a lot of these things, and I decided to do a reaction to it. More reaction coming, because the more I see them, the more I open my eyes, and the more I like learn as well that okay, so this is still the reality in 2021 and people are still doing all this. If you fall into this category, there's no point. Just stop. Okay, just stop.